Feedback loop in AI systems. Feedback loop in AI systems. A feedback loop in AI systems is the process of using new observations about how a model behaves to update and improve that model over time.
You can think of it like a smart thermostat. It makes a guess, senses whether the room is too hot or too cold, then adjusts its future actions based on that signal. In AI, the model makes a prediction, we observe how good or bad it was, and that feedback nudges the model's internal parameters so the next predictions are slightly better.
In a chatbot, every time a user clicks thumbs up, rewrites a bad answer, or reports harmful content, those signals can be logged, labeled, and later used to retrain or fine-tune the model, so it avoids similar mistakes. Many modern systems turn this into structured pipelines, for example, using techniques like reinforcement learning from human feedback, which you may have seen used to align large language models with human preferences.
Feedback loops matter because they turn static models into living systems that can adapt to new data, shifting user behavior, and changing safety requirements. Well-designed loops improve accuracy, reduce harmful or low-quality outputs, and keep AI products aligned with real-world needs. Feedback loop in AI systems.